Have you ever wondered why you'd never find a polar bear in the desert or a fish trying to make a home in a forest? It's because every living thing has a special place it belongs, its habitat. Think of a habitat as a perfect natural neighborhood, one that has everything an animal needs to survive: a reliable food source, clean water, and a safe shelter. Let's take a quick trip. First, to the scorching hot desert. Here, camels thrive. Their long eyelashes act like built-in sunglasses to keep out the sand, and their humps store energy for long journeys. Even the plants are tough, like the cactus, which has waxy skin to lock in precious water and sharp spines to protect it. Now, let's dive deep into the ocean. This massive water habitat is home to creatures built for swimming. Fish have streamlined bodies to zip through the water and gills that let them breathe underwater. From tiny shrimp to the massive blue whale, everything is perfectly suited for life beneath the waves. But in every habitat, survival often means not being seen. This is where nature's secret weapon comes in: camouflage. An Arctic fox's fur turns white in winter, making it nearly invisible against the snow. A stick insect looks so much like a twig that predators pass right by. It's a life-or-death game of hide and seek. These incredible adaptations are a reminder of the delicate balance between a creature and its home. When we protect a forest, an ocean, or even a small local pond, we aren't just saving a place on a map. We are saving all the amazing life that calls it home.